Hello folks, welcome to TopekaKnives.com. We're going to be looking at the Mtech model MT-A805BK. It is 8¼ inches overall. It's got a 4¾ inch handle with machined holes in it. It has a 3½ inch 440 stainless steel blade with black coating. And let's take a look at her here. This knife is really light, real light. It has a pocket clip on one side, you can see. It is got a liner locking system. It is spring assisted. Which is smooth. The blade is half serrated, and it says law enforcement, serve and protect. I don't know, I tried to get you a clear picture of that. I don't got the best camera in the world here. But anyway, it says law enforcement, serve and protect. It's got a tanto blade. Really light knife. Nice. So anyway, that's the Mtech model MT-A805BK. I appreciate you watching my video, and I hope you have a good day.